Welcome to the PowerMill CAM Programming Master Course. This industry-ready curriculum is designed by IIT Patna Vishwasan iHub Foundation and delivered by the Baroda Institute of Technology. Learn advanced CNC techniques, master 5-axis machining, and achieve precision down to 0.001 millimeters. This video provides an executive summary of the course. You will master advanced CAM skills, covering 3-axis, 4-axis, and 5-axis simultaneous toolpaths. The course offers a prestigious certification and provides hands-on training using Autodesk PowerMill for industrial-grade projects. Level 1, the foundation track, lasts 4 weeks. Topics include the introduction to CAD, CAM, and CNC, milling machine basics, and the PowerMill interface. You'll learn tool database setup, basic toolpath strategies, simulation, and post-processing fundamentals for generating NC code. Level 2 is the intermediate track, focusing on 3-axis and high-speed machining over 4 weeks. You'll master advanced 3-axis toolpaths like adaptive clearing, high-efficiency roughing, and rest machining. This level also covers toolpath optimization, surface finishing, and collision checks. Level 3, the advanced track, spans 6 weeks, covering 4/5 axis and mold programming. Topics include multi-axis machining fundamentals, specialized strategies, and swarf machining. You'll learn mold and die workflows, electrode programming, and full machine simulation with collision detection. The capstone phase focuses on real-world application and portfolio development. You will work on case studies in mold and die machining and aerospace/automotive programming using 5-axis orientation. The goal is to transition from learning commands to solving actual manufacturing challenges. The roadmap emphasizes skill progression and tool-wise learning methodology. You will start with simple tools and advance to complex tapered and form tools. A critical component is verification discipline, ensuring every toolpath is checked for gouges and collisions before production. This course prepares you for future-ready growth opportunities. Target roles include CNC programmer, mold programmer, and CAM engineer. Placement support is included with interview prep, machine tests, portfolio reviews, and employer connects. Explore our gallery of student excellence showcasing complex projects. Examples include a 5-axis impeller with swarf finishing, an aerospace bracket using vortex roughing, and a mold core and cavity project demonstrating electrode design. Admissions are open for the next cohort. The course is delivered by the Baroda Institute of Technology with curriculum design from IIT Patna. Flexible modes are available, including online and offline options. Secure your career by visiting our website or calling for inquiry.